Do you love your doggy, Liam? Why don't you put your doggy away while you're eating? Let me see the dog. I got the dog. Ruff, ruff, ruff. I'm gonna put it over here on the counter, okay? It's right there on the counter. What? You don't need that dog. What are you doing? Nope. Ah! You're crazy. You know that? You're a crazy baby. Is that good? What you got there? Yum. Raviolis. What do you want out of there? You don't need anything out of the pantry. You're eating right now. So can you almost touch it if I scoot you over? Yeah. Ah, don't get your doggy all messy. You love your dog? You love that dog? It's an LSU doggy, huh? Don't get it dirty. I just bought you that dog. We just built that dog at Build-A-Bear. It's mine. It's my dog. It's mine. My dog. Oh, I love this dog. Cuddly dog. Yeah, make sure you get them all out. Woof, 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 woof. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.